In today's digital age, your next customer isn't walking by, they're searching online. Is your automotive business showing up where it counts? With over 80% of car buyers starting their journey online, visibility is no longer optional, it's essential. Struggling with low website traffic, fierce competition, and missed opportunities? That's where Automotive SEO comes in. At Digital Guider, we specialize in turbocharging your online presence. Our tailored SEO strategies ensure your dealership ranks high, attracts quality leads, and drives sales. From optimizing your website for local searches to enhancing user experience, we help you connect with customers actively seeking your showroom. Experience measurable results. Increase traffic, higher conversion rates, and a stronger online footprint. At Digital Guider, we specialize in turbocharging your online presence.